You go to the section of Common App. First section is your profile. Here are all personal, but here this question is about if you change your name or not. Here you click no. If yes, you just write what was your name. Here is your address. This address is the address you wrote, like it's supposed to be a real address that you are like using for your current address. If you want to remove it or change it, you can make any adjustment. This question is alternate mailing address is if you want to add any another address, like for example if you were attending boarding school or maybe have another like home or whatever, you add the address and here you choose if this address that you added is temporary or not. Anyways, if you just click no alternate address, you will not have to answer any of this. Contact details. You choose what you prefer to be contacted with, your mobile or your home. Here you enter your number, and then here if you want to add another phone. If you don't, you just choose no other telephone. Demographics, you choose your gender. Legal sex and gender are the same, female, female. Pronouns, she, her. US farmed former states, you choose none. For this question also you choose no. You wouldn't have to answer this question. Languages, number of languages you are proficient in. Of course, since you are like applying to the US, you have to like Arabic and English. First, enter your mother tongue or first language, and the second, choose English. And your language proficiency, choose speak, write, read. If it's walking at home, choose it. If you don't like your family don't speak English at home, you don't have to choose it. Geography and nationality, you choose the country that you were born at, like you were born at. It's usually Yemen. City of birth, number of years you have lived in the United States. You can choose zero or like these are like usually like the same as I'm writing. Like as Yemeni students, we all have like usually have this, but if you are different, if you were born in another country in another city, if you just lived in a year or two in the United States, you have to change this, of course. Do you currently hold a valid visa? This also depends on if you have or not, but it's usually not. Do you intend to apply? Yes. Visa type, you can choose, I don't know. We will go through this section again later on after we submit our applications, but for now, you should answer it like that. Yes, yes, and then here your name, and then continue.